Greetings and salutations. I'm Madison, and you may be wondering why I'm standing in front of a pretty much blank wall. Well, in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my vintage-inspired Christmas bedroom decor. Every year, I like to completely redo my bedroom and deck it out for the holidays. So I'm going to take you around, show you what I've done. Every year it's just as big a surprise to me as it is to you because every year I manage to do it differently. Anyway, I hope that you enjoy this video and let's get decorating. that's how I decorated my bedroom for Christmas. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I would love to know what your favorite piece of decor was. I did want to take a little time to say thank you. Thank you all from the bottom of my heart for your kind comments and generous support. I will be taking some time off to privately celebrate with my family. However, I will return after the new year. I have some very exciting new videos and projects coming your way. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and I will see you all very soon. Thank you for watching.